Okay, this fire's too pretty for me to not video it. And then here, this is a new addition. Dorothy! Dorothy! Well, Dorothy's not quite as friendly as Zoo. She's pretty, though, but she's older. Dorothy! That's Dorothy. Let's kick back and do another video. Let's turn this into fun. You know, and this is a really good way to study, too. You need to go to a place that you can relax. You need to take out a piece of paper and pencil, because studying does not mean watching. It means writing. Okay? So here we go. This is one of my relaxation places. And here I am, ready to do the next question. All right? And here's the next question. Suppose I have the quadratic function. This is question 22. Suppose I have the quadratic function 2x squared minus 7x plus 5, and I'm being asked to state the axis of symmetry of this parabolic function. Now, first of all, I'm going to do a very rough sketch of this function. Degree 2 implies it's a parabola. The fact that the leading coefficient, which is 2, is positive means that my parabola opens up. So, you know, I may not have the width correct. That's not my interest. You know that this point right here, where the parabola turns, well, kind of, I'll make it bigger. This point is referred to as the vertex. And we can find the vertex of any quadratic function by using the vertex formula, which I'll show you in a minute. But before we do that, you need to understand what's happening here. When I ask you to state the axis of symmetry of this parabola, what I'm trying to do is I'm actually asking you to tell me the equation of that line that cuts, okay? It's very important you understand what you're being asked to find. I want you to find the equation of that vertical line that cuts through the middle of the parabola. Now, kind of cuts it in half. Well, notice that that equation passes right through the vertex. We tie two things together. An equation of a vertical line is always going to be x equals some number. And if you'll turn the vertex, if you'll remember the vertex formula with me, the x-coordinate of the vertex is always opposite, x equals opposite of b over 2a. So all I really need to do here to answer this question is go up here, realize that a is 2, and realize that b is a negative 7. So watch what happens when I plug in, okay? Come with me down here. All right. X is equal to the opposite of, remember from the above formula that b is a negative 7. Remember that a is a positive 2. Therefore, x equals, and now let's get all the arithmetic done correctly. Minus minus is going to become a plus. I have 7 on the top. I have 4 on the bottom. The correct answer, by the way, is not 7/4. The correct answer is the equation x equals 7/4. Anytime somebody in any level of math asks you for the axis of symmetry of a parabola, you're always going to give them the answer x equals, and then to find the actual value that it equals, you're going to apply the formula opposite of b over 2a. So that's our answer, x equals 7/4. Now the reason that I didn't even bother finding the y-coordinate of the vertex, I wasn't asked to. The axis of symmetry only involves the x-coordinate of the vertex. So basically what I tell my students is ATQ. Answer the question, no more, no less. Okay, have a good day.